Sneezing might seem harmless, but it's a hidden danger. Did you know a single sneeze can launch germs at over 100 miles per hour? That's like a mini explosion of bacteria. And if you think holding in a sneeze is a good idea, think again. It can lead to ruptured eardrums or even brain injuries in extreme cases. Imagine sneezing while driving. You're blind for almost 3 seconds. That's enough time to cause a serious accident. And if you're lifting weights, a sneeze could throw out your back or make you drop those heavy dumbbells. So the next time you feel that tickle, remember, sneezing isn't just a reflex, it can be a real risk. Would you hold in a sneeze after hearing this? Let me know.